Howdy. Ready to start wrangling some words for your lyrics? Now hold on, partner. Before you bust out that pen and pad, ease up a bit. What if before you started writing your lyrics, you listened to the music of your song to try to hear what it wanted to be written about? Does that sound weird? That sounds weird, right? In this video, I will explain it in depth as well as give you some handy-dandy resources along the way. Giddy up. Before we put the pen to the page and start banging out those lyrics, let's back up just a little bit. What we're looking for is our song's story first. And to start with story, we're going to start with mood. Think of mood as your song's body language. So when you listen to your song, is it a sad song? Is it a sexy song? Is it a happy song? To help with this process, I've created a mood chart. You can download it below this video. Listen to the song and just circle the mood that you think best defines the mood of your song. So now that we've honed in on the mood, it's going to be easier for us to tell the story of our song. Now that we've defined the mood, let's look at themes. A lot of writers don't think about themes until the song's finished. And in a lot of ways, the theme will just reveal itself to you. But let's begin with the end in mind. You see, I want you to think about the story or message of your song as you're writing your lyrics, and so that you have that mood and theme as a target in mind. Now, you can adjust it along the way, because the goal here is not to be constrained, it's actually just to give you some focus. Throughout many forms of writing, there are universal story themes, and it's no different with music. Now, to make this easier for you, we've created yet another chart, which is Universal Stories. You can download that below this video. And listening to your song, looking at the mood, and then looking at the universal stories, see, is there a story in there that kind of matches up? You know, something like addiction or heartbreak. Don't see a theme you like? That's okay. Maybe you can use one of the other themes to inspire your new theme idea. Either way, let's pick a theme or define a new theme, and that will help our songwriting flywheel move much faster. We can look at other forms of art to inspire our lyric writing as well. Look at all these things that you can reference. Movies, TV shows, plays, paintings, photography, poems, sculptures, current news events, and books, and that's just to name a few. So looking back at our theme, what other pieces of art seem similar in mood? Once you have something in mind, describe the scene the way that you would to a friend. Let's say the song reminded you of the movie Rocky, because maybe your song has this uplifting, overcoming a challenge vibe to it. If you were to go to write lyrics about that iconic scene where he's running up all those steps in Philadelphia, the lyrics might look something like this. Though my lungs ache and my legs burn, going to climb all the way to the top, because this time it is my turn. If you heard those lyrics, you might not know that Rocky was what I was referencing. But I used that famous scene to help give me some ideas of things to write about. A good friend and fellow songwriter of mine, Trisha Leone. Hi, Trisha. She recently wrote an album where she looked through old photos and wrote one song about each photo and called the album Postcards from the Past. And yet another friend of mine, he'll browse through people's social media photos and then just describe what he sees. You know, the only trick there for both of them is to find something that inspires them. Inspiration is all around us. Use other people's creativity to help you create your own art. Hey there, hi there, ho there. Hope you enjoyed that video. That was a clip from my songwriting course, the Songwriting Workshop. If you liked this and if you got value from it, and you are interested in learning more about the Songwriting Workshop, then just click on the link in the description below this video. I've got over 40 videos like this one that walk you through the entire songwriting process, and there are exercises along the way. Not like CrossFit or yoga songwriting exercises. And if you follow along with me throughout the Songwriting Workshop, you have a brand spanking new song by the time you finish it. That's my guarantee. Oh, and I don't care if you like or subscribe. That's up to you. You do you, boo.
Bleep bleep.
Hope I look adequately ridiculous.